Hey! In today's video, I am making a Tansy Oil Face Moisturizer. Blue Tansy Oil is a beautiful blue essential oil used in skincare for its calming feel on the skin. In this formula, it helps give the cream a gentle, soothing character and a light herbal aroma. As always, I've added the full written formula with all the details on my website. You can find the link in the description box below. Starting with the water phase, I first mix the gum with the perpendial to create a slurry. This helps the gum disperse more evenly in the mixture and prevents clumps. If you would like to make this face moisturizer without Blue Tansy oil, I've included several alternative options in the written post. Next, I added the distilled water and mixed everything well until the mixture was smooth and evenly combined. Next, I added disodium EDTA, a chelating agent. It helps improve the stability of the formula and supports the preservative system by binding trace metals that may be present in the water or ingredients. If you don't have disodium EDTA, please check the written post for alternative options. Then I added Aquaxyl, a moisturizing ingredient that helps support the skin's natural hydration and helps reduce water loss from the skin. I also added niacinamide, an ingredient I love using in face products because it helps support a healthy-looking skin barrier and promotes a more even-looking complexion. Moving on to the oil phase. I chose Olivem 1000 as the emulsifier because it creates elegant, lightweight emulsions with a smooth skin feel. I also added cetyl alcohol. It helps thicken the moisturizer and gives it a smoother, creamier texture. For the liquid emollients, I chose jojoba oil, squalane, and CTLCC. You can use other liquid emollients if you prefer. I selected these because they help create a lighter, less greasy skin feel while still providing excellent moisturization. While phases A and B were heating in the double boiler, I took the opportunity to weigh and prepare phase C, the cool down phase. In this phase, I used cucumber extract, centella stem cells, vitamin E, a preservative, and of course Blue Tansy essential oil. You can also use different active ingredients to personalize this face moisturizer and make it to your skin's needs. I've included several options and suggestions in the written post on my website. Once phases A and B were fully heated and melted, I removed them from the heat and combined them. I then used an immersion blender to create the emulsion and mixed until the mixture was smooth and uniform. After combining phases A and B, I allowed the emulsion to cool down before adding the cool down ingredients. Before adding phase C, I checked and adjusted the pH. I did this before adding the Blue Tansy oil because its deep blue color can make the pH strips harder to read accurately. I adjusted the pH using a lactic acid solution. If you're new to pH adjustment, I have a detailed step-by-step guide on my website that explains the entire process. The last step was adding phase C and stirring to combine everything. Then I let the moisturizer sit for a couple of hours so the gum could fully hydrate and disperse, allowing the texture to reach its final consistency. This moisturizer is especially nice for warmer weather because it feels light on the skin and absorbs quickly without feeling heavy or greasy. At the same time, it provides plenty of hydration to help keep the skin soft and comfortable throughout the day. I really enjoy the scent of Blue Tansy oil in this formula. Let me know in the comments if you've ever made a skincare product with Blue Tansy oil and whether you enjoy using it in face products. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.